Okay, so this code looks really good. I'm getting excited. I'm getting anxious. And let's go ahead and run it and let's test it out. So I'll go ahead and start the application. Swing over to my browser here. And let's add some items to our cart. Coffee mug. And let's view our cart. Yay, awesome. This is great. So we see that we're looping over each one of our cart items and displaying information about it, the image, details, and quantity. Cool. I like it. I like it. And let's swing back in here and let's add some code to display the subtotal for our cart item. So just moving into this section here where we have quantity. And we'll add a new paragraph right below that div. So we'll have our subtotal. And now our subtotal is really a math expression. So it's really the quantity times the unit price. So I can actually do math expressions here. And then I'll pipe that all through the currency pipe. Okay, so for each one of our line items or cart items, the subtotal is the quantity times the unit price. I'll save this and I'll swing back over and test it out. So add some items to the cart. And yes, awesome. So we have our subtotal for each one of our cart items. Good. And so that's only one item as far as quantity. Let's increase the quantity here a couple of times. And now move over and great. It actually is computing the subtotal. So 4 times X. And that's our actual subtotal. Okay, good. I like it. Now there's one other thing we have to do here is actually give the grand total at the bottom of our shopping cart list. So we'll have the total quantity and also the total price. So I'll set up a new table row here for this information. So just add an empty call span here of 2 just to kind of take up those first 2 columns in the table and make those empty. And then we'll give our total information. We'll make this information bold. And then I'll add the code here for total quantity. So I simply access the total quantity property on our component. Free shipping for all of our valued customers. And then also we display the total price. All right, so this code looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and save and swing back over and test it out in our browser. And okay, good. So starting out, total quantity of 0, shipping free, total price 0. That's great because our cart is empty. Let's go ahead and add some items to our cart. And swing over and look at our cart details. And okay, good, good. Scroll down and yes. Okay, great. So we have a total quantity of 6 and total price of $111.94. It should match what we have up top for our cart status component. And yeah, looks good. Okay, this looks great. I'm really happy with the work that we've accomplished so far. Good job.